Hello friends, this is Deepa Ravi. We are staying in Abu Dhabi. Let me show you my small indoor garden. We kept it at home. This is our curry leaf plant. Before the leaves were very small, but after the rice wash water and with the vegetable peel water, it started growing nicely. And this is our hibiscus plant. See, the leaves are very bright and shiny. And this is our neem tree. Actually, my husband wants to keep a neem tree inside the home, but when we went to the shop, the shopkeeper said, you can't grow neem tree inside a house because it will grow only with a bright sunlight. Then we said, no problem, we don't have a outdoor, very small balcony only we have, but anyway, we will try. If it grows, it is good, otherwise it is okay, but we will try, we said. But luckily, it started growing nicely only through the sunlight which receives through the window. And this is our another hibiscus. They get a morning bright sunlight. At the same time, in the evening, they are getting the sunlight through the reflection of sunlight through the other building's window. So both the times they are getting sunlight to some extent. See, the leaves are very bright. And this is our tulsi plant. They shed lot of leaves before, but now we started giving all this rice wash water and all the things. They started giving new leaves in that. This is another neem tree. This is my small microgreen trials here, and I kept a pudina latest. See, this I kept the stems from the shop what I bought, and this is also started showing new leaves. And this is my Karpuravalli. When we bought it was very small, but after that they grown very well. These are aloe vera plants. See, this is the evening time, but sunlight is coming through the window directly here. And this is a money plant. This is there with us for a quite long time now. Let us see my another room. One more aloe vera plant, I kept it in this room also. And this is a bamboo plant. When we bought, only sticks were there, but after that they started showing leaves very nicely. We have only very small balcony, but in that I started composting recently after getting all the tips from Abdul Saus. And this is my jasmine plant and a henna plant. I wish I had a big balcony. This is another aloe vera plant which I kept outside my home, that is outside the door. This never saw a sunlight, only with a tube light. But then also it is growing nicely. And this is my small aquarium where we kept our cute little companions. 4 turtles are there in this. Thank you, friends. Once again, remember, space and place is not a matter, as Abdul Sir says. Only our efforts is a must.